do it. I had to do it. You know I had to do it. You feel me? You can tell I'm super real. I'm making all type of stupid noises. What do you got? Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I'll try to spill my soda. Oh shit. Let's put this on the floor. You feel me? I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it. You know I had to do it. Look at these big joints. What the? I almost fit my fist in. I can, boy. What the hell? Damn. Ricola. Yeah. Yeah. For the thumbnail. Big ass pipes. Let's go. Yes. Alright guys, so this is gonna be real simple. Show you real quick. Take you off the mount. Those two bolts right there. And there's gonna be two more on the other side, just like it. Can't miss it, it's right after the muffler. We just got them cracked, so now we just unloosen those. And then we gotta drop this down. So there's these brackets right here. It's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. That's the exhaust hanger. So we'll drop that down. We'll drop this whole piece down after we get those out. And then slide the old exhaust out the exhaust hangers, put the new one in, bolt it back up, and then we'll connect the new one. So it's gonna be real fast. I'm gonna try to slide y'all up under, give y'all a good vantage point so you can see every area. Got those bolts off, both sides. Now we're just working on these right here. So trying the best that I can with the camera view. Bear with me. So we're gonna be working on those right there. So you got those 3. Once I take these out, this side will be ready to drop down, but I have to pull it out from the mid pipe. All right, so we got the exhaust down. Those 3 bolts right there holding the exhaust hanger mount and get those 3 out on each side. Just brace it with a jack. After you get the bolts out, drop it down with a little bit on a jack, pull it towards you a little bit. You can see how they're coming out. And once you drop it down and pull it towards you, we are off the exhaust now. So now we just pull it out and new exhaust on the way. So next, pop off that old gasket. We got the new pipe up here. I'm gonna show you a little test fit real quick. So it's gonna be looking like that. And we Gucci. Okay, got everything buttoned up. So we're looking like now. So all in all, took about maybe half hour, 40 minutes, maybe an hour at best if you don't really if you're not really mechanically inclined. But this is basically taking off 2 bolts to the exhaust on each side. That's 4, and then you got 3 that's holding each mount in, so that's 6. So all in all, about 10 bolts. Just make sure everything's tight so there's no exhaust leaks, and then get it right back. So I'm about to start it up. We're gonna do a little before and after. This is gonna be the before. Turn on this car right quick. Oh, so suit. Mm-hmm.